Hello, and welcome to Not Boring English. Today's story is called I Lost My Phone, and it's perfect for English learners at the A1, A2 level. As you listen, try the shadowing technique. That means speaking along with me to improve your fluency, pronunciation, and confidence. If you find the speed too fast or the words too difficult, you can pause the video or use the playback speed setting to slow it down. Now, let's begin. I lost my phone. It was a warm Saturday morning, and I had a busy day ahead. I wanted to go shopping for new shoes, meet my friend Sarah for lunch, and maybe stop by the park in the afternoon. I was excited. I grabbed my bag, put on my sunglasses, and left my apartment. I took the bus to the city center. The ride was peaceful. I looked out the window and watched the trees and buildings pass by. When I arrived, the street was full of people. Some were shopping, others were drinking coffee, and children were running around. My first stop was a shoe store. I walked inside, found a pair of white sneakers I liked, and tried them on. They were perfect. I went to the counter, paid for them, and left the store with a big smile. Next, I met Sarah at a small cafe near the main square. She was already sitting at a table by the window. "Hi," I said, giving her a hug. We ordered sandwiches and iced tea. We talked about work, family, and our weekend plans. We laughed a lot. After lunch, I decided to go to the park. I walked slowly, enjoying the warm sun on my face. When I reached the park, I sat on a bench under a big tree. I wanted to take a photo of the flowers around me. I reached into my bag, but my phone wasn't there. At first, I thought I was mistaken. I checked all the pockets in my bag. I checked my jacket. I even looked under the bench, but my phone was gone. My heart started to beat faster. I tried to remember when I last used it. I had taken a picture of the shoes in the store. I must have put it down on the counter and forgotten it. Oh no, I said to myself. I ran back toward the shoe store. The streets felt longer now. I kept looking at my bag as if my phone might magically appear. When I reached the store, I went straight to the counter. The shop assistant recognized me. "Excuse me," I said. "I think I left my phone here." She smiled and reached under the counter. "Is this yours?" she asked. I felt so relieved. "Yes, thank you so much. You're lucky," she said. Another customer saw it and gave it to me right away. I thanked her again and promised myself I would be more careful in the future. I put my phone safely in my bag and zipped it closed. Feeling happy again, I decided to still enjoy my afternoon. I went back to the park and sat on the same bench. This time, I took my phone out, held it tightly, and took a photo of the beautiful flowers. That evening, I texted Sarah about my little adventure. She replied, "Only you could turn a shoe shopping day into a rescue mission." I laughed and felt grateful. It had been a busy day, but in the end, I had my shoes, my photos, and most importantly, my phone. Comprehension questions. Now, I will ask you a few questions to check your understanding of the story. Write your answers in the comments to practice your English writing. 1. Where did the narrator meet her friend Sarah? 2. Where did she forget her phone? 3. Who returned the phone to the shop assistant? Thank you for listening to Not Boring English. Have you ever lost your phone or something important? Share your story in the comments. I'd love to read it. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and join us for more fun and easy English stories. See you next time.